Hello students, hope you are doing well. Welcome to another lesson at HeeraniTutor. In today's lesson, we are going to learn about perimeter, and we are going to practice some of the questions. So let's get started the session. First of all, in previous lessons, we learned how to find what is perimeter. So let's revise it. Perimeter is like the distance or the length around the outside of the shape. So, for example, in question number 1, we have a rectangle. So the length around this shape, total length around this shape is gonna be our perimeter. So if we count the length, if you look at the figure, we are given the individual length of each side. 8 meter, 4 meter, 8 meter, another 4 meter. If we add all of it, 8 plus 8 plus 4 plus 4, that will give us 8 plus 8 is 16. 16 plus 4 is 20. 20 plus 4 is 24. So the length around the outside of the shape is 24. That means that's our perimeter, which is 24. In the second shape, we are given the trapezoid. So if you look at it, we know the length of each side: 6 meter, 5 meter, 8 meter, and 5 meter. If we add all of this length, it's gonna be equals to 6 plus 5, which is 11. 11 plus 8 is 19. 19 plus 5 is 24. That's again 24. So it's the perimeter of the second shape is also 20. Going to the third shape, which is a triangle. Again, we know the length of 3 sides: 3 meter, 4 meter, and 5 meter. If we add this, 3 plus 4 plus 5, which is going to give us 12. So the perimeter of the triangular side is 12 meter. Units are very important. So you need to write 12 meter, 24 meter. Again, if we move to the fourth shape, which is a square, because the length of all 4 sides is same, which is 7 meter. So 7 meter plus 7 meter plus 7 meter plus 7 meter is going to give us the perimeter. That's going to be 28. And what's going to be unit? It's meter. Moving to the fifth shape, we know the length of 4 sides: 5 meter, 6 meter, 7 meter, 9 meter. If we add all of this, it's going to give us the perimeter of this shape. So 6 plus 5 is 11. 11 plus 9 is 20. And 20 plus 7 is 27 meter. That's the perimeter of this shape. Moving to the last shape, which is a pentagon. Why it's a pentagon? Because it has 5 sides. So, and if you look at the side of all the 5 sides is same. I mean, the length of all 5 sides is the same, which is 5 meter. So if we add all of it, it's like 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5, which is also equals to 5 times 5, which is gonna give us 25 meter. So the length or the perimeter of this shape is gonna be equals to 25 meter. I hope this video was helpful for you kids. If you like it, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye.